All right, group. So we are on number 1 here. Linear means straight line. So we're going to be showing a straight line with a domain of -4 to 8. So I'm going to draw my highlighter. And a range from -5 to 6. Okay, so anywhere between there is good. And we know that we should have all closed circles because of our equal to symbols. So there we go. That would work. We could go this way if we wanted to. All right, I already have my lines drawn on this one. So here from -7 to +2, and then from -1 to 8 for range. We have to be really careful about our equal to's here, okay? When we go from -7 to 2, then there should be an open circle at -7, okay? Same thing for -1. Actually, let's rewind. So at -7, less than x is equal to 2. So at 2, we can have a closed circle, and at 8, we can have a closed circle. That's what we need to do. So right there, okay, where it crosses at 2 and 8, both of those have an equal to. -1 and -7 have an open circle. Those have no equal to. Okay, number 3, graph a linear function with a domain of x is less than or equal to 5. So if we go over here to 5, and x, and then y is less than 6, should be there. Okay, so we want x to be less than 5 and y to be less than 6. These are going to have a closed circle here, and they go on forever because it's all numbers less than 5, all numbers less than 6. So we'll just draw an arrow at the end of that to show that it goes on forever. And it's a linear function, so it should be a straight line. Okay, number 4, graph a function with a domain of all real numbers. This tells us that we should have arrows going both ways when it's all real numbers. Okay, the range is y is greater than or equal to -4. Okay, so that should be the lowest point that our graph reaches. So we could say, well, it's going infinitely in that direction, and it's going infinitely in that direction. So here at -4, we have a closed circle. Okay, and it's going infinitely here. So greater than -4 for y, but also both ways all real numbers for x.